Hola, buenos dias a todos. So I have added an app to the website. It is called Learn Spanish for the Camino, appropriately. On this app, you can learn your basics of Spanish, trail essentials, accommodations, food and drink, directions, health, and blisters. So that's very basic Spanish, but very useful. There's also a link to the Pilgrim's Office. Let me open that. Okay, so on this site, you can register and yeah, you can look at all sorts of interesting information about the Camino. Let me go back to the app. Okay, so on the app, you can practice your Spanish. Let's look at some examples. So you will see basic terms like buen camino. If you click on the speech icon,
Buen camino.
buen camino. Okay, peregrino.
Peregrino,
Okay,
peregrina.
peregrina. Okay, so as you can see, it's very useful Spanish. Okay, so do take advantage of it. This app is completely free, there's no paid version for it. So please do enjoy learning a little basic Spanish before you head out on the Camino. So there's also a little subscribe button up here. This leads back to my channel. So there you go. Language teacher on the Camino, otherwise known as Camino Teacher, coming to you from beautiful East Tennessee today. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And yeah, like and subscribe. That would be good.